Hey guys, it's me Ynex, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily create this 3D space particle effect in After Effects. First, create a new white solid layer and apply the CC ball action effect into it. Then go ahead and copy the exact settings. To make it look way better, you can add deep glow with your own settings. Now to get cool movements, add a camera and null layers on it, and you can animate it however you want. Hope you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and see you.